Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about lambda functions. So what are lambda functions? So Python lambda function is known as the anonymous function that is defined without a name. As we have seen the syntax of a function, we need the def keyword, then we provide the name of the functions, and then if it is accepting the parameters we need to provide that, and below that we need to provide the logic of function. But lambda functions are the functions which do not have any name. Python allows us to not declare the function in the standard manner, that is by using the def keyword, rather than the anonymous functions are declared by using the lambda keyword. So for the lambda functions we don't need to use the def keyword, but we need to make use of lambda keyword. Lambda functions can accept any number of arguments, so they can accept any number of arguments, but they can return only one value in the form of expression. So lambda function can take as many argument as it wants, but return only one value after processing the logic. So this is the syntax where you need to use the lambda keyword, then the arguments which will take n number of arguments, and then it will provide the expression which will return only one value. So let's check in our code how we can make use of these lambda functions. So let's first declare the normal function to get the square of any number. Let's say def get square. So it will take one parameter n, and here in result variable we will store n into n, and then we will return this n result, and here we will call this function. First we will declare one variable to store the value which will be returned by the function get square of 5, and then we will print output. So this code should return me 25. Let's run this code. So here we are getting 25. So this is the normal execution where we are declaring the function with def keyword. But what if we want to get the function as a lambda function which does not have any name? So how we can declare this? So for this, let me remove this entire part. What you can do, you need to make use of lambda keyword lambda, and here you need to provide the argument. So it will take only one argument, right, n, and after that you need to provide the logic which was n into n, and this expression will return some value. So as it is returning something, you need to store it inside the variable. Let's say I'm storing it here result. So this is the lambda function, and what I will do, I will print now. Before that I need to call this lambda function. To call this lambda function you need to call it with this variable name which is result, and you need to pass here parameter, let's say 5. Let's see what the code is returning now. So we are getting here 25. Let's take another value here, let's say 8. So 8 square is 8 into 8, 64. So we are getting here 64. So what is happening here, as we are calling with this result 8, so here the lambda function will take this argument n 8, and then it will execute the expression 8 into 8 which is 64. Now let's take another lambda function which will return us, let's say we want to have the area of a triangle. So area of triangle is, the formula for area of triangle is half into length into breadth. So it will take two parameters now, which will be L for length, B for breadth, and what it will do, it will have the formula like 0.5 into length into breadth. So this value we will return now, and here we need to pass two values. So let's say my length and breadth is 2, 2. So in this case what output should I get? So it will execute 2 into 2 4, 4 into 0.5. Let's run this code. So we are getting here 2. If I try another values 4, 4, so in that case I should get, by executing this formula, 0.5 into 4 into 4, it should be 8. So we are getting here 8. So this is the use of lambda functions, where we are not providing any name of the function, we are just passing the arguments, and then we have the expression which will return one value which will be stored inside the variable, and after that we are printing that value. So that's it for the lambda functions. We will cover another features of lambda functions in next video. Thank you for watching.